All right, everyone. Decided just to rip the rest of this case. Had a feeling this was going to be difficult to move, and I have other things I want to sell in breaks, so we'll go ahead and do this. This is Leaf Art of Sport. I did 2 boxes before we left on vacation, and doing the other 8 now. Full disclosure, I opened 2 of them before I decided to rip the rest of the before I decided to do this live. So I'll show y'all what came in those 2. I'll do that one second because that box was crazy. This one was one I've already opened. It had a Virtuoso Diego Maradona. That is 4 of 12. Again, all the Leaf patches are game used. A Paul Molitor auto. That's to 15 Street Art. Warren Sapp auto. That's to 20. All of this in this break, for the most part, probably will be for sale. So if anybody's interested in anything, let me know. And then triple. It's pretty nice. Randy Moss, Steve Largent, and Chris Carter. Some stud receivers. The Rule of 3. That is 5 of 5. It's a nice card on the triple. And then this is the other one I opened. This one is crazy. We'll do this side. Scott Boras. I don't know how he sells, but seems pretty decent. That's to 10. Rhino. 2 of 7. It's pretty sweet. And then y'all, this side is crazy. A work of art, triple game used jersey with a nice patch piece. Kobe Bryant, 1 of 1. For real. 1 of 1. Kobe. Game used. Pretty sweet. And then this was underneath that. A triptych auto. Bo Jackson, Christian Okoye, and Ricky Williams. This one is to 1 of 2. So the Kobe and that were in the same box, along with Ryan Sandberg and Scott Boras. So that is a really, really nice box. All right. So those are the 2 I had opened before I decided to go live. So here we go. So I have a feeling we may not beat that last box. But we'll see. This is a cool product. I wish more people would buy into it. All right. All right, we'll do this side. To 35, Sania Hall. Sania Hall. 35. Zoe Matthews, Street Art, that's to 4. I have no idea how she sells. This one's pretty good. To 35, Kylian Mbappe, triple game use patch. Well, two patches, 1 just jersey piece. Not bad. This is cool. Nice, cool Cubs hit. Greg Maddux and Fergie Jenkins. Iconography. That one is... Where's the number? That's to 8. Greg Maddux, Fergie Jenkins. Pretty sweet. Is this going? It's the second time this has happened where... Hang on. One second, y'all. Where my phone like just is not catching up to the live for some reason. Yeah, so it's live now. Yeah, y'all can see it. Okay. Let's see. My fingers show up here. Yeah, that's it. Okay. It's working. All right. Next box. Another work of art /7 Patrick Mahomes. That's pretty good. Triple game used jersey. Tyler Harrow. 1 of 25 street art auto. Not bad. Steve Nash. Not bad. 3 of 3. And this one's nice /4. Anna Lee Waters. Match used shirt auto. It's pretty nice. 4 of 4. She sells really well. Steve Largent auto. That is /4. Stephon Marbury auto. That's /5. This is nice /30. Erling Haaland and Kylian Mbappe canvas combos. Game used. Pretty sweet. And this one's cool. 8-player memorabilia, 1 of 10. Baseball from the 80s and 90s, kind of. Wade Boggs, Ichiro, Ricky Henderson, Ozzie Smith, Tony Gwynn, Roberto Alomar, Kenny Lofton, and Rod Carew. The art of 8, 1 of 10. It's pretty sweet. Not bad. That Kobe box with the triptych, I think, is probably going to be the... That was a crazy box. Oh, sweet. This one will not be for sale. Didn't even know he was on the checklist. 8 of 10, Colt McCoy. That one is going in the PC. Pretty sweet. Riddick Bowe. 6 of 7. Not bad. This thing is pretty sweet. Roberto Clemente and Bill Mazeroski. It's pretty cool. That one is to... So Baton Jersey. Where's the number? There it is. 2 of 6. This is sick. The art of 8. Check this one out, though. Messi, Derek Jeter, Pele, Pete Rose, Tom Brady, Kobe Bryant, Terry Bradshaw, and Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. That thing is cool. 5 of 7. Soccer, football, baseball, basketball, soccer, football, baseball, basketball. So 2 of each. That is sweet. 5 of 7. Legends. 2 boxes left. Go from this side. Ronaldo Nazario and Neymar /4. Solid. Ooh. This is cool. Diptych book. Lawrence Taylor. That could be cooler. Not gonna lie. It's weird that there's no relic in there. That is 1 of 8. This is nice. Cool patch here. Steve Young. 3 of 3 with a 3-color patch. Solid. Some of y'all will probably love this, but I don't even know who this is. Demolition Smash. Assume that's a wrestler. That's to 15. Random. Alright, 1 box left. Let's see if we can get a crazy banger in this last one. It's been a good case, though. Alright, work of art. Triple jersey, Derek Jeter. Pretty nice. That's to 4. Man, what's under this one? Okay, we'll do the jersey first. Oh, Klay Thompson to 30. That doesn't seem great. And then take your pick of these. Mario Andretti to 10. That's pretty sweet. That might go in the PC, to be honest. See what those sell for. And can't stand this guy, but he's probably worth a lot of money. Conor McGregor to 10. So that will definitely be for sale. All right. Pretty good. So for anyone who just wants to catch the recap, I will do this real quick. Okay, so 2 Virtuoso game used jerseys. Maradona to 12 and Klay Thompson also. That's to 30. We had work of art, triple jerseys. Kylian Mbappe, that's to 25. Patrick Mahomes to 7 and Derek Jeter to 4. Pretty good. These canvas combos are pretty sweet. Erling Haaland and Kylian Mbappe to 30. Roberto Clemente and Bill Mazeroski to 6. And Ronaldo Nazario and Neymar to 4. Hang on to those. These are the single signed autos. Warren Sapp to 20. Paul Molitor to 15. Scott Boras to 10. Ryan Sandberg to 7. Sania Hall to 35. Zoe Matthews to 4. Steve Nash to 3. Tyler Harrow to 25. Steve Largent to 4. Stephon Marbury to 6. Colt McCoy to 10. Riddick Bowe to 7. Demolition Smash to 15. Mario Andretti to 10. And Conor McGregor to 10. Okay, these we'll do relic autos. Pretty sweet. Annalie Waters to 4. And Steve Young to 3 with a nice patch. We'll do these. The Art of 8. Boggs, Ichiro, Henderson, Smith, Gwynn, Alomar, Lofton, and Carew. All game used. That one is to 10. And then to 7, this one's sick. Messi, Jeter, Pele, Rose, Brady, Kobe, Terry Bradshaw, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. That's to 7. We had this Lawrence Taylor diptych. It's really just a book auto. That is to 8. This dual auto, Greg Maddux, Fergie Jenkins. Pretty sweet. That's to 8. This triple auto, Randy Moss, Steve Largent, and Chris Carter. It's pretty nice. That's to 5. this Triptych auto book. Some pretty sweet running backs. Bo Jackson, Christian Okoye, and Ricky Williams. Pretty awesome. That's to 2. And then this thing is crazy. Kobe triple game used relic 1 of 1. It's pretty good. All right. All of that, my friends, except for the Colt McCoy for sure, will not be for sale. A couple others I might hang on to. I need to look at some comps on them before I decide. But let me know if you're interested in anything, and I'll give you a price. Thanks for joining in. Tomorrow I'll post, I'll probably do some Topps Chrome tomorrow. We've also got Leaf Seasons in the Sun baseball, a few jerseys, maybe do some mixers. I don't know. We'll see. Thanks, guys. We'll see you later.